Constant, like book list becomes a global variable. It is even constant. It is defined outside of the function, and we can use inside function easily everywhere. Boolean should come here easily. You can see it will say total books are how many? 6. So at this place now you can go, and now since there is a multiple row and columns, you can say how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like 6 elements, and each element have the name, price, quantity, name, price, and quantity. Each element have name, price, quantity, name, price, quantity. Okay, now let's go here, create a table. Table open, close. Align, we can write here center. Table will be in the middle. Cell padding, right here, 10, 15. Let it be. Now come inside. Follow the T head, table heading. In table, in the beginning of the table, there must be some heading that will come from the T head. TR is required, and then TH we need to follow. In Angular React, without T head and T body, it will give the warning. You cannot create the table. BS करना है. Table. Okay, next after that, come inside, right here, book ID, right here, call, next th, book name, next th, book quantity, next th, price, unit. This is the heading that we created. Array is ready, and heading also you created that look like this. Book list is coming in the left side. We can get table align center we are given, the remove center, let it come in the left side only. Cell padding is okay. Border if you want, we can apply. Follow the T body now. T body. T body hook open close. Now go inside T body. You will write the map function. That array name is called book list. Book list dot map. Book list dot map info comma index. Info comma index. Turn ATR. Now it is going to return the TR because we have to construct the table. T head is already ready. Now T body we are generating. Under the T body, we need to generate the TR dynamically. So first TD will be, you can keep index as a serial number. Second TD, you can keep info.name. Name is here. We have written the property name, price and quantity you are going to call. It will be case sensitive. So while printing, you will check the which case you have written, uppercase, lowercase. Info dot, what is next? QTY. Next TD will be there. Info dot price, and then sequence. Okay, ready? You will get the list of books. All the data whichever was stored inside the array, all will come here. No need to reload the page. Automatically live server is running. It will reload will happen. Just this map function we need to take care. Just we need to take care of the map function. System will take care of all encryption part, decryption part. 1 minute, I will be on the call. Coming back from the 20 March. We can also have option 3 months duration. 3 months duration. No problem. Update you tomorrow. The students here will take 4,000. 4,000. One month. Okay, so hope your list of data is coming and you are able to see the array. If you add one more element, if you add one more element, it will list you all the contents. Which code, Nisar? Entire code or some certain part? Which one you want, Nasir? Entire code?
Yeah, sir, entire code. Sir.
Entire code. So entire code will not go in the window. It has to go through the file directly. So let's share the file.
Okay, sir, please share.
But where is the problem? Why you are not able to manage?
Sir, actually, my system is restarted.
Okay. Okay. So code will come in 2 parts.
Okay, sir.
First part is till T head, and second part is from the T body onwards. Okay. Once,
Okay, sir.
any other one have error?
No. No, sir.
What next? Suppose if I go here inside the array, if I add one more element, here, like Python, automatically your page will reload and the data will appear inside the page. Live server is happening whenever we modify anything, automatically render function will get called and it will everything. All the property of HTML we can apply here. Okay, working. Go here. And for this table, apply a property called border, maybe 5. Then you can say anything, any other also you can apply. Cell padding is okay. All properties possible we can apply here. It's look better. We will be writing some CSS also to make this all better organized. First, getting some idea, okay, how the component works, how to create, how to load, how to write the array inside. Okay. Okay, now you see how many component you got: home, user, book, and then other one we call service, right? Home, user, book, and then service. Let's come. We'll work on some more array part, array, nested array, and we'll see how we can use the map function inside map function. Okay, so we have a component, service component. We are going to modify this file. Just we have added simple thing. Okay.
Sir, once just show the book.js. Oh, okay, sir. Thank you. Okay, sir. Done.
Okay, so come to the service.js file. This array, little modification we are going to do. Delete this paragraph from the down. Okay, this array create like this. Service website development. Next, technology will be as a array. Technology will be as a array. Below, service software development technology will be array. Service will be ERP development technology will be array. Next, service will be data management technology will be array. Just add till here. Okay, so hope you are ready with the array. You can do right click here and format the document. Right click and format document. It may be aligned properly if we have made anything here. Okay, come down. Our services, print the length here. That is called my service dot length. Length should appear in our services. How many? 4. Now we can go here and using okay, use the map function here. Inside the map function, we can print inside the map function. We can generate my service dot map service comma index. Return 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 h4 service dot service dot service will be wrong. Okay, top also we have written service here, you will get confused. Okay, my service dot, just write as the info. So that meaning from my service one by one it will go to where? Info variable. I can write here info dot service and check once it is printing or not. Info dot service.
Yes, sir, it is working.
Working?
Yes, sir.
We want to display in little different way. Little changes from the HTML side. Okay. Be on the call for 2-3 minutes. One HR is calling. I will have missed out document and some kind of politics inside actually. Some kind of politics. The person who was talking just now, no, the female, she never talk like this. She talk like the Hitler. Okay. When the manager, he HR came in the list, then he feel like okay, I will investigation. वो बोलती थी कि क्या बोलती थी बता actually. Okay, sorry. Let's go ahead. Return field set will do here. क्या है भाई तुम्हारा बड़ा कंपनी है तो हम श्योर का थोड़ा ही है तुम्हारे लिए काम कर रहा है if you want manpower come to the sales go to bar go to hell I don't mind okay field set to right here keep inside LEGP courier से भेजे तो उसका तब legend go inside the legend and write here the info dot name
That is the info dot service, na? I think.
yeah info dot service it will give the name of the service oh. Scope is printing.
Yes, sir. It is printing.
See, field set is coming big size, no problem. Let it come. We have CSS on that. We can write CSS. We can control it. Next will be called like under the field set, data has to come. So data will come from where we have to create the array for that placeholder already we are given. Just we need to feed the data inside. After that, it will come. So go inside the array and now look at this. Inside the technology, we have to write here HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Reactjs, software development, Java, Python, .NET, ERP, SAP, Oracle, Java. Python. Database management. MySQL. SQL. MySQL, MS SQL, DB2.
Function inside function.
Hmm?
Function inside.
Now let's find out the length of each element. So hope array is ready. Look at this. This becomes a multi-dimensional array. Okay, you can see this becomes a multi-dimensional array. Inside this multi-dimensional array, you have two level of element. First level element is this one, your service. Second level element is technology have the data in the form of array. So question is how to print that elements, right? How to print that elements.
Uh,
Hello. Come down at this place. In services, you can write here. Which one? Info dot technology dot length. Info
right,
dot
sir.
technology dot name length. It will give you the length of technology. Right? Check now. Length is coming for every service. How many technology? Name of the technologies are coming. Now your info dot technology is the array. Info dot technology is the array. Correct. Technology is the array. So we have to run another map function here. Hope you are clear till here.
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go ahead. Let's go here, write another for loop now, map function. That is called info dot technology dot map. Info dot technology dot map. You can write here name of the technology and keep index 2 again. Info dot technology is again another array, second level of array. Return P, inside the P, name will come. You will see it will give you under one particular technology service, what are the technologies are available.
Yes, sir. It is working.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Working, sir.
Okay. Understand the flow, what is happening. Okay. Inside the page, inside the page we have an array, and that array is nested array. Array inside array. We have some data in the form of nested array, just like the array inside array. Okay, now what it says like when you are running a first for loop, are you able to achieve all the data? When you are running the
No.
first map function, are you able to achieve capture all the data? Then our
No.
first map function says like we are able to capture only first level only. We are not able to capture the second level. But second level we receive here as an object, right? So what we can do is again, we can run the again one more map function. So what will happen is outer level element is printing, that is okay. Now once it will come inside the outer level element, it will check for technology, is there any element? Yes, element is there, that will also get printed. Right, so this kind of requirement will come every time. Okay, this kind of requirement will come every time. So what will happen is your data will come from the backend in the bulk. Okay, nested array inside array, okay, multi-level array, and we have to read that entire array, and we need to see, okay, we need to understand how many level of array are inside, at what point which object we are receiving, and then we have to write many times map function you have to write. Okay, so that way it is going to work. Let me come to the browser and understand what it comes here. Getting technology through CSS, we can manage it. We can make it a small, no problem at all. 2-line CSS we can write, all will be controlled. Okay, so let's come now. Let it make little. Okay, so I will go to the where CSS file. You have one CSS file, please open that. Only one line of CSS will write per field set. One line, 2-3 line, one place, that's all. After that, it will be open.
H1 tag we have written my service.length, right? That time it has to check both the both the properties, right? Like service and technology, or it will check only service.
It will check only the total number of elements. It is not checking the service. This line is not checking service or technology. It is checking total number of elements. Whether you have inside technology you have or what you have, that is not matter. It's finding the total number of flower bracket. How many curly bracket you have open and close. If you keep one curly bracket in the last is empty, that will also come under the count. Okay, if you keep a curly bracket empty, that will also come under the count.
Yeah, got it.
Okay, let's come next. CSS file you can open, that is called index.css file.
You can use app.css also. App.css also there, right?
App.css file we are not using at all. It is not connected anywhere. If you look into the app in index.css file, you can write there also. App.css also you can write. App.css file is there, no one. There also we can write, or index.css also we can write. Okay, write for field set. Field set, open, close, and write for this first width as a 30%. Width 30%. Width as 30%. After that, float left and margin 2%. Margin 2%, it will not take 1% to give. Then check. So ready? Check now. In one line, how many? Oh, 3 are coming, but little up down. We can write minimum height. Okay, no problem. It will come like, because number of elements are less and more. So mean hyphen height. Mean height give 200 or 250 or 300. Mean height somewhere give 300. So it will not fight with each other. All will go one after other.
Sir, it is not working in app.css. It is only working in index.css.
App.css, maybe we are not calling anywhere. App.css file, if you not call anywhere, then it will not come now.
Sir, please upload yesterday's video.
Yesterday video, yeah. See, only 2 are coming. Why not 3 are? 3, okay. Because there is a border also. Hold on. Keep width little less. 28%. Border is there, no? Already extra border is there because of that. Now 3 is coming in one line. 3 boxes are coming in one line. Sequence. Hope looks similar. CSS is here.
Sir, in 20% it is coming 4.
20%.
Yeah, it's coming one row.
In 20%. The 28.
Yes, yes.
28 is also fine. No? In 28 also it will come in one line.
Sir, in 20 it comes 4. All
Only
the
3
4
are
is in
coming.
one.
In 20, only 3 are coming, sir. In 20, 4 are coming.
20, if we make then 100 divided by 4. How much will come? 25% will come. In that 1% margin is there, plus some border is there. Then 4 will come. Let me keep 4. So calculation is like this. Total width is how much? 100%. Now how many you want to display in one line? So we want to display 4, suppose. So 100 divided by 4, how much will come? 25%. But you cannot calculate 25%. The reason is 1% margin is there. 1% left and 1% right. So how much? 2%. So straightforward it will be minus by 2%. It will become how much? 23%. But still there is a border. In field set, there is a by default border. So that border also you have to minus here. So because of that, it's 20% it's coming. Okay, else we have to keep some other thing and then we can calculate properly. So rough calculation 20% also. It will be 4 block. I was calculating for the 3 block. Then I have given the three blocks here. Now it's coming in one line. Okay, so next after this, see, we created one component service, another one is called book, third one is user, and fourth one is what? Home. Now total 4 component you got. In each component there will be bulk data. So we cannot display entire website in one page only, no? Suppose 100 component we have. So all 100 component you cannot load at the same time. There is no meaning at all. If you go to any website, any web application, it will give you one page by default, landing page. After that, you can click and go, click and go. Similar way, we will be implementing tomorrow. Now we got 4 component. Based on this 4 component, we can write the routing. We can write the routing. The route, what is the routing? The routing is nothing but there we can provide the menus here on the top, and according to click, the page will load, component will load. There will write the condition. If this is the URL, this is the page, this is the URL, this is the page, and we'll write the switch case and then it will load. The routing part, that is a tomorrow task. Okay. So till now, whichever we have done till here, we'll suggest you to practice it. Okay. So how to practice? Set up a new project and start creating the component and start following the array and write something what we follow in the class. This way we can practice. Let me come to the video part. Where is that?
Maybe for each video also. Same.
Day before yesterday video I'll give you. This is yesterday. Yesterday was which date? 9th. This is of yesterday. That is, this is the 9th one. Okay. Yesterday video is this one, right? I need to send you second and third. So this is which day? Let me size. Both are looking different size. This is day before yesterday. This is the yesterday third one. Video number 3. Okay, so I will upload you in your chat.